Well, about the security of my company where I work, some issues that concern me about the area where I work were are they don't have enough areas where we can meet when a fire or an earthquake happens. My company has some things where we can be when something like this happens. However, they don't have those training to act in a situation of an earthquake or a fire. On the other hand, we affect us because if an earthquake or a fire comes to occur inside the company, we will run away and we can affect the lives of many our colleagues.